In this video, I'll show you how to become a teacher on Skillshare. Step 1. Create an account. Before you can become a teacher on Skillshare, you need to sign up for an account. Go to the Skillshare website and choose whether you want a free or premium account. You'll need a profile that showcases your skills, experience, and what you'll be teaching. Make sure to fill out your profile information accurately to create a trustworthy and professional image. Step 2. Research existing courses. Skillshare has a wide range of courses, so it's important to research the existing content. This will help you identify gaps in the market and refine your course idea. Pay attention to topics that are popular, the style of the instructors, and how they engage with their students. A unique angle or niche could help your course stand out, so focus on personal strengths. Step 3. Decide on your niche. Choose a subject you're both passionate and knowledgeable about. Your niche should be something that aligns with your skills and also meets a demand on Skillshare. You can focus on creative fields, for example photography, design or writing, or professional skills like marketing, coding and entrepreneurship. The more specific your niche, the better the chance you'll attract students that are interested in that area of expertise. Step 4. Prepare your course outline. Planning your course structure is key to delivering high quality, engaging lessons. Start with an outline that includes an introduction, key learning objectives, and a clear path of progression. Each lesson should focus on a single concept of skill, and you can include exercises or projects for students to complete. Break down complex topics into smaller, easy to understand segments to help learners grasp the material. Step 5. Create high quality content. Your course will need to meet Skillshare quality standards, which include clear visuals, good audio, and engaging content. Invest in a decent microphone and camera for recording your lessons, or use screen recording software if applicable. Structure your videos logically, maintain good pacing, and make sure your content is easy to follow. Make use of visual aids like slides, graphics, or charts to reinforce key points, and ensure your audio is clear and free of distractions. Step 6. Sign up as a teacher. Once you're ready with your course materials, go to Skillshare's Teach section and sign up as an instructor. You'll be asked to provide a course preview, a short video that introduces you and the course content. Your course preview should give potential students an idea of what to expect and why they should take your course. Once approved, your full course will be reviewed by Skillshare before going live. Step 7. Upload your course. After approval, it's time to upload your lessons to Skillshare. Use the course upload interface to organize your lessons, upload videos, and add any supplementary materials like PDFs, worksheets, or resources. Ensure that your lessons are logically sequenced and each video is clearly labeled. Add a course description, tags, and a catchy title to make it easier for potential students to find your course. Step 8. Promote your course. Once your course is live, promotion is key to attracting students. Share your course link on social media, blogs, and other platforms where you have an audience. Consider creating a website or landing page for your course to provide additional information. Skillshare also offers promotional tools, so be sure to take advantage of those. You can also leverage affiliate marketing to earn extra income by promoting your own course or other teachers' courses. Step 9. Engage with your students. Engagement with your students is crucial for building a successful course. Respond to questions and comments, provide feedback on student projects, and encourage them to share their progress. Creating a community around your course will help keep students motivated. You can also update your course over time with new content to keep it fresh and relevant. And now I have some final thoughts. Becoming a teacher on Skillshare is a rewarding process, but it takes time, effort, and dedication. Focus on delivering high quality content, engaging with your audience, and continuously improving your courses. With patience and persistence, you can build a loyal student base and grow your teaching career on Skillshare. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and if you want to sign up for Skillshare, you can do so using the link in the description down below. If you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments.